876 Street.
Greetings to everyone. No, this is Khan Khalif, you know? Yeah. Known as Russian, I can call me Madik sometimes, you know? Yeah, I drive a Honda Civic 03 RS, you know? Yeah, and I was the winner of the March car for the month, which is March, you know? And I want to big up Sparkles Auto, yeah, Patrick, big up yourself, and I want to big up Fabian, you know, yeah, who sponsored me this trophy from Quick and Reliable Imports, yeah, and I want to big up the whole of my fans and big up Shaquille, everybody racing that is the best, you know, yeah, and the competition, my main competitor was Clayton. Yeah, big up yourself, Clayton. I want to big up the other rest of competitors, them, you know. Yeah, big up the boss with the B13, the 110, and the Corolla Lucian, you know. Yeah, big up on yourself, see this week, you know. Yeah, and most and final, big up 876 Streets, right? Big up yourself.